So I am a little bit lost my voice. I still have some of these special, beautiful little pots, and I got one order, so shipping it out. And I sincerely thanks Jeff Bezos for sending me all the packaging material, and it's very helpful. Super, super helpful. So very often time we say, so yesterday I was thick, not very comfortable. This is strong enough. Is this strong enough? This is strong enough. Finish another one. This will be a perfect project for the kids. Every time when I finish something, I am just sincerely happy. And finishing something, I think it's a joy in our human nature. And that is something that money cannot buy, I feel. No matter how much money you have, you always have this joy of finishing something. And this is some kind of joy. The more money you have, the more the less chance you get to enjoy it, because it's so easy to throw away things without finishing. It takes a lot of courage. I'm sorry. I haven't write my note. Oh my gosh, what a strong tape. Let's not waste one. Thank you. Very much for your kind support. You know, being an artist or a teacher, you live on the generosity, the kindness of people. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Shipping ready to go. Shipping label on the other side. Again, thank you, Jeff Bezos, for providing all the shipping supply. I think if you are a small business owner, you have already hired Jeff Bezos as your logistic manager or shipping supply manager, and that's the good thing to be the boss of Jeff Bezos. With all respect to this gentleman, anyway. Dear friends, I love you. I really do. Bye bye, friends. Some friends would like to see a video of some tedious stuff of shipping out things. So I was thinking, why not do a video of this shipping? And it's been a long time I didn't receive any order, so that might be a good idea to show you what I have. I have still have a lot of these little pots, and every time I make yogurt with it, the taste, does it taste better? Definitely it is better than plastic. Plastic is not, it's not digestible. I mean, what do I say? It's not easy to digest by the nature. And this, you grind it, it becomes a soil, or I do not know, but I feel this you can use forever and ever and ever. When I make yogurt, my yogurt pot, sorry, let me put the mic to my direction. So when I make yogurt, I use this pot and a glass pot so that I reuse it. I have used it for 3, 4, 10 years. 10 years, maybe not so many, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, and I enjoy them very much. It's small each time. It's only a little bit, it's only one pot, so I eat one pot or 2 pots at a time, so it's better to be proportioned. If I use a big jar to make it, each time scoop out a portion of it, the spoon will contaminate it, and even it is clean. Just better to have an individual one. And I buy these covers from a particular place. Maybe I should come with the lid also. Anyway, for now, it is an extra money, and I could not yet afford it. Maybe I should add up in the price. But anyway, enjoy taking care of our nature, enjoy life. We have a right to enjoy life. We have a right to consume, as long as we consume sensibly and carefully and with a thought. We are part of this nature. We use it. We take care of it. Our living is not only serving the planet and sacrificing ourselves. At least for me, I think life is to be lived with pleasure, with enjoyment. I am not the extreme altruistic who sacrifice completely for the goodness of the society. I have not yet reaching to that level. I enjoy what I can enjoy, and I eat, so I consume. What a shame! Do I need to how do I deserve to consume? Anyway, enjoy your life with a good sense. Oh, look at who is there. I love you. I really do. Do. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, this one. I am doing the wrong thing. I need to take out this one only. Look who is there. shipping label. Cuckoo say hello. Hello, Lou. Hello, Lou, 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 Lou. Me, Lou, Lou. Hello, Lou. Bye bye. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do.